supposed to feel.
Hi guys, my name is Tanya and I make content on fun DIY art stuff. So if that's something you're interested in, please consider subscribing, and without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So for today's video, we are going to try out string art for the very first time. If you don't know what string art is, it's basically a thread art where you use different types of threads like wool, jute, wire between nails and make different patterns out of it. So I'll add few reference picture over on the screen for you to understand better. बाकी आगे वीडियो में समझ आ जाएगा. तो yeah, without wasting much time, let's dive into the process. I'll start by taking a wooden plywood piece जो कि मेरे पास काफ़ी टाइम से रखा था, तो I thought why not use it. तो here I am simply making rough sketch using a pencil. Once done, I'll start putting nails around the rough sketch we made. Make sure to put nails close to each other, like do not leave much gaps between two nails, otherwise you won't be able to give proper shape to your piece. So guys, please be a little careful while working with the nails. Now I'm adding coat of black acrylic color all over it. Once that's dried, I'll write the message using some colorful paints. I'll give it a border, make some flowers and simply play with colors. So on to the main part जिस पर ये वीडियो है. तो now I'm using wool thread to make string art. Original string art uses embroidery threads or jute threads, but for now this is what I have, and that too in very limited colors. So I'll tie thread to one nail and simply start making random patterns as shown. The denser you put the thread, the prettier it's going to look. Honestly speaking, this process was quite time taking. मतलब जितना simple लगा था ना उतना था नहीं, but still it's worth trying. It's definitely very satisfying. Now I'm giving some detailings using a white woolen thread. Once that's over, I'll shift to the bottom part. I am using a gold metallic marker to do some random doodling. And that's it. Since it was my first time trying this art form, I did mess up a little, like few of the nails fell after putting thread, but still I feel we managed to pull off a decent piece. After all, the aim of this channel is to try all possible art forms, but you can't ace it in every possible art form, right? This is definitely something you cannot learn overnight. It does require hours of practice. Anyways, that was it for today's video, guys. today's video guys. I hope वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो like, share, subscribe, do all the good things that you can, and I'll see you next time. Until then, stay positive, stay creative. Bye.